Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are going to share with you a very yummy and easy paneer paratha. This paratha you can make for children early in the morning and you don't really have to make a lot of preparation for it. So the good thing about it is that you can use the regular chapati dough that is lying in your fridge. Uh, Freshly we will grate paneer and the cheese and make a yummy paratha which will be ready in barely 10 minutes. So early in the morning, you can prepare this paratha and give it to your children for lunch. So let's see what all we are going to need for this. So here I have a piece of paneer. This is a cube of cheese, and you can just take whichever brand you want, which can be easily grated. We have simple spices. I've only used salt, pepper and some oil for frying, and this is the regular chapati dough, the same that we use for making our rotis. So I've just kept it out for a few minutes so that it becomes normal. And now while it is there, I will grate the cheese and the paneer. So I've used the cheese grater, slightly bigger than the regular cheese grater, and then I'll add the cheese as well. I'm grating both of them together. We'll make a mixture of it. And the proportion you can take as much as you want. I usually take twice the amount of paneer and half is the cheese. So 2:1 is my ratio. But if your child likes more cheese, you can add more cheese also. Add a little salt and a pinch of pepper, and then just knead it. And we'll knead a proper dough. Like, it should become very smooth because we do not want it to get broken when we are rolling the paratha. So now I've just kept it aside. Now here is my dough, and I'll just knead it a little to make it little more soft. Add a few drops of oil to this. Normally we make paratha dough with oil and salt and everything in it. Here I'm just adding a little bit of oil to the ready dough, and then use your thumb and palm to mix it well. It will become really nice and smooth. So now our dough is ready. I just kneaded it for a few minutes. And now we are going to stuff this cheese and paneer stuffing. Whenever you're making a stuffed paratha, try to have as much stuffing as is the ball of dough, so that it gets spread nicely towards, in all corners. And it should not happen that somewhere you get the stuffing and somewhere it is just plain atta. So now, once you have filled it or stuffed it, just keep it aside for a couple of minutes. This step really helps because you will see that once you've kept it aside, it will not break when you are rolling it. So just give it a rest of 2 to 3 minutes and then you can start rolling. So now that it's ready, I'll take it, and using some dry flour, dry atta, I'll roll it like any normal paratha. And you'll see that we do not really have to do a lot of preparation for making this paratha, like preparing the stuffing separately or making the dough separately. Just use the ready dough, grate some paneer and cheese, fill it up, fry it as I'll show you, and paratha is ready. So as you can see, it has not gotten torn from anywhere. It's completely intact. Now just one drop of oil, and I'll grease it and allow it to heat. It should be sufficiently hot. And now we'll wait for it to cook on one side before flipping it over, like we do in case of any stuffed paratha. So it will start changing the color, and here I have flipped it, as you can see. Now we'll apply the oil or ghee or butter, whatever you want, on one side, spread it, flip, and we will apply again oil or ghee on the other side also. and allow it to cook nicely. This should be done on medium heat. It should not be very high or very low. Yeah. So now you'll see that the steam is building, and just see how nicely it is puffing up. And then this makes sure that the paratha will remain soft even after 2 to 3 hours, when your child will open the dabba and eat this paratha. You can pack this with curd or some kind of chutney or pickle, or just like that with some fruits, or you can make it for um, regular breakfast or snack. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye bye.